Hello. Today my program is to design a phone call that holds a phone number to which a call is placed, the length of the call in minutes, and the rate charged per the minute. And the given condition to me is in order to overload the operator, which is equal to. And for this to happen, I have created a source code using code blocks. In this, basically, I've the basic thing I've done is in order I created a class called phone call. In this, I've given the following the basic thing: the number that is in string p number, and float that is minute, and float which is rate because it can be in decimal even. And I've used setter and getter in order to give the information. As you can see here, the string is given p number. Here I've used void set p number string of n, p number equal to n, and I've set void set minute where float is float m and minute equal to m, and string I've used get p number which is return I have given. And as you can see, I've set this and I've get this here, and I've given my basic phone call rate to be 0.60 per second. And further, while doing this, I've taken my float to be taken in rate, where I've taken a temporary variable which is temp2, where r equal to rate into temp2. Here I've used an operator where this is the basic function, and this is the operator, that is int operator. Here I've done the operator overloading where I've used is equal to, and further I've gone into the main statement. Happening according to this, I can give 10 phone calls in my program. Choosing this to be happening properly, I've used a for loop in order to give the input of various phone calls, namely 1 I equal to 0 to I equal to 10, where increment of I takes place. And in a cout statement, the calling to the particular phone number takes place, and the cin statement mainly gives in order to the temporary variable. Here p of I is the size of the array where the setting of number takes place. For int j, in this for loop where j equal to I minus 1, j greater than or equal to 0, and decrement of j, this checks if there is any repetition before, or if there is any dialing to this particular number. And further, I've given a cout statement where in order to enter a new number, and here cn I given the temporary variable. And further, I've checked everything, and I've basically given what in order to get the proper output, and I've given the cout statements for the proper for the rate to be acquired properly. In order for this to happen, I have built and run this program uh, where I have to enter the call of phone number 1. I take in the phone number to be like this, and it asks me for the duration of the call, which I've given to be 4 minutes. Further, this gives me the call rate, and call to phone number 2, I'm going to give the call duration, that is going to be 30 minutes. So the call rate is going to be here. So according to this, I've done this in order to get the rate of the call, and if there is any repetition occurs. If you want, you can have a look. You have already called this number. Thank you.